Ever found yourself staring at empty shelves, wondering where all your best-selling products vanished? Or worse, have you had to tell a customer, "Sorry, we're out of stock"? Running out of inventory can be a nightmare for any business, leading to lost sales, frustrated customers, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. But what if I told you there's a way to minimize these headaches and keep your stock levels just right, all within a tool you might already be using? That's right, today we're diving deep into how to reorder stock using QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks isn't just for invoices and expenses. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your inventory efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just getting started, understanding how to leverage its reordering features can be a game changer for your business. Think about it. Manually tracking inventory with spreadsheets or even just by visually checking shelves is prone to errors and can be incredibly time-consuming. You might miscount, forget to factor in items on backorder, or simply not realize you're running low until it's too late. QuickBooks offers a more streamlined and automated approach, helping you stay on top of your stock levels and reorder proactively. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why this is so important. Effective inventory management is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures you have enough product on hand to meet customer demand, preventing those dreaded out-of-stock situations. Secondly, it helps you avoid overstocking, which can tie up valuable capital and lead to potential losses due to spoilage, obsolescence, or storage costs. Finding that sweet spot, having just enough inventory at the right time, is key to maximizing profitability and customer satisfaction. QuickBooks offers several ways to approach reordering, and the best method for you will depend on your specific business needs and the version of QuickBooks you're using. However, the core principles remain the same. Identifying when to reorder, knowing how much to order, and generating purchase orders efficiently. One of the most useful features in QuickBooks for reordering is the inventory reorder point. This allows you to set a minimum quantity for each inventory item. When your on-hand quantity drops below this reorder point, QuickBooks can alert you, prompting you to replenish your stock. So, how do you set up these reorder points? Let's walk through the process. First, you'll need to navigate to your item list. This is where all your products and services are stored in QuickBooks. You can usually find this under the Lists menu. Once you're there, locate the inventory item you want to manage. Double-click on it to open the Edit Item window. Within the Edit Item window, you'll typically find a tab or section related to inventory information. Look for fields like Reorder Point or Min/Max Levels. Here, you'll enter the minimum quantity you want to have in stock before QuickBooks reminds you to reorder. It's crucial to set this level thoughtfully, considering your lead time, the time it takes to receive new stock from your supplier, and your average sales velocity. You don't want to set it too low and risk running out, but you also don't want it so high that you're holding excessive inventory. Once you've set your reorder points for your key inventory items, QuickBooks can help you identify which items need to be reordered. There are usually reports available, such as an Inventory to Reorder report, which lists all the items that have fallen below their reorder points. This report can be a lifesaver, providing a clear and concise overview of what needs your attention. To access these reports, navigate to the Reports menu in QuickBooks, then look for Inventory Reports. You should find options like Inventory Valuation Summary, Inventory Stock Status by Item, and, most importantly, Inventory to Reorder. Running this report regularly will give you a proactive view of your inventory needs. Now that you know what to reorder, the next step is creating a purchase order. QuickBooks makes this process relatively straightforward. From the Inventory to Reorder report, or even directly from the Vendor menu, you can typically generate purchase orders. QuickBooks will often pre-populate the purchase order with the items that need reordering, based on the report. When creating a purchase order, you'll need to select the appropriate vendor from whom you purchase the items. You'll also need to specify the quantities you want to order. While QuickBooks might suggest a quantity based on your reorder point, you'll want to consider factors like supplier minimum order quantities, potential discounts for bulk orders, and your anticipated future demand. Take the time to review the purchase order carefully before sending it to your vendor. Ensure all the items, quantities, and pricing are correct. Once you've sent the purchase order and received the shipment, You'll need to enter the bill into QuickBooks to record the expense and update your inventory quantities. This is a crucial step to maintain accurate inventory records. Beyond just reorder points and reports, some versions of QuickBooks offer more advanced inventory management features. These might include the ability to track inventory across multiple locations, manage back orders, or even forecast future demand based on historical sales data. Exploring these features can further optimize your inventory management processes. For example, if you have multiple warehouses or store locations, QuickBooks can help you track the quantity of each item at each location. This gives you a more granular view of your inventory and allows you to make more informed reordering decisions. Similarly, managing back orders within QuickBooks ensures that you don't forget to fulfill customer orders once new stock arrives. Furthermore, understanding your sales trends can significantly improve your reordering strategy. QuickBooks often provides sales reports that can help you identify your best-selling items and seasonal fluctuations in demand. By analyzing this data, you can anticipate future needs and adjust your reorder points and quantities accordingly. Implementing these reordering strategies within QuickBooks might take a little time and effort upfront, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. You'll reduce the risk of stockouts, minimize overstocking, improve cash flow, and ultimately provide a better experience for your customers. By leveraging the inventory management capabilities of QuickBooks, you can move from reactive stock management to a more proactive and efficient approach. So, take some time today to explore the inventory features in your QuickBooks account. Set up those reorder points, run those inventory reports, and familiarize yourself with the purchase order process. It's an investment in your business that will pay dividends in the form of smoother operations and happier customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.